How to contact Barclays Support from the app. First of all, open the Barclays app on your device and log in securely using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode to access your account. Once you are logged in, you will see different options to get in touch with Barclays Support right on the home screen. You can either tap on chat to start a live conversation with a customer service representative or choose the direct call option if you prefer speaking directly. If you tap on chat, simply type in your questions or describe your issues, and the support agent will respond to assist you with your query. This feature is useful for quick help with transactions, card issues, or any app-related questions. If you select the call option, the app will dial Barclays customer support directly and you will be connected to the right department based on your account. You can also tap on the help section for additional support topics and answers to common questions, which might save you time before chatting or calling. Now you know how to contact Barclays Support from the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.